Good morning, guys. Today for English class, we are going to be starting a new book, and the book is called Jordan's First Job, and it's by Molly Tittle. She's the author. This is a story about Jordan. He is looking for his first job. Why do you think Jordan wants a job? He needs to make money. In this story, you will see different help wanted ads. These are different jobs that Jordan could apply for. Before we start reading, we're going to need to go learn some new vocabulary words. Our first vocabulary word is earn. To earn. It's a verb because it's something you do. It's an action word. The definition for earn is to get money for working. So when you do a job and you're working, you work really hard, and in the end, you earn money for the work you put in. So to use it in a sentence, she worked hard a full 40 hours this week and earned a paycheck. She earned it. Our next vocab word is goal. Goal is something it's a thing, so that's a noun. And it means something a person works hard to make happen. So you pick what a goal is that you want to reach, and you work hard for it to make sure it happens. So when Julie won first place in Special Olympics, she set out on a goal to win her competition. So she practiced really hard, and then when it was time for her to compete, she won. So that was a goal that she set out to, and it was something she worked hard to achieve. To use it in a sentence, it isn't always easy to reach your goals, but the hard work will be worth it in the end. Our next vocab word is skill. Skill is a thing, so it is a noun. It means something you are good at. So everyone has different skills. Everyone's good at different things. To use in a sentence, everyone has different skills, which is what makes us all special. So use Julie as an example again. She was really good at basketball. She won first place in her basketball competition. Her skill is that she's really good at playing basketball. Matthew is really good at broadcasting, so he's got a very good skill at making PowerPoints and reporting the news. So everyone has different skills that they are good at. Our next vocab word is insurance. Insurance. This is a big word for when you are an adult. You need to know a lot about insurance. Insurance is a thing, so it is a noun. The definition is when a company helps you if something breaks, is stolen, or someone is sick or has died. So you need to pay this company to have insurance. You pay them every month so that in case something bad happens, they can help pay for these expensive things. So if your car breaks down, you use your car insurance. You pay them every month, so when your car is broken, they will come and help fix it. If something happens to your house, you have home insurance. You pay every month, and if something were to happen like a flood or a tornado, you would have some home insurance and they would help pay for fixing that. If you get sick or need surgery, or you need to just go to the doctors and you have an appointment, you would use your health insurance to help pay for those things. And also people pay every month for life insurance. So in case you die or someone dies, they are able to leave money behind for their family. You pay every month to ensure that. To use it in a sentence, the insurance company gave them money to fix their car or to fix their house after it flooded. I need to fix that. All right, we're going to begin reading now. So the title is up here in the big words. Jordan's first job. It is written by Molly Tittle, so that is our author. She wrote the book. Jordan got a car, but Jordan must pay for gas. Jordan needs money. So his parents gave him a car. He's super excited about his car, but now he's realizing he needs money to pay for gas. So Jordan starts looking for jobs to help see how he can make money. So the first help wanted sign he sees, it says car washer. Monday and Friday afternoons, $8 an hour. Help wanted, here is a job, washing cars during the week. Can Jordan take this job? No, he is at school during those times. Mondays and Fridays afternoons, he's in school, so he won't be able to make that job work for him. Chef, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, $11 an hour. Help wanted. Here is a job, cooking many different foods. Can Jordan take this job? No, Jordan cannot cook all of that food. That's not one of his skills that he has. Remember, everyone has different skills, and Jordan's skill is not cooking. Dishwasher, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, $8 an hour. Help wanted. Here is a job, washing dishes 3 days each week. Can Jordan take this job? No, he does not like to wash dishes. So right now he's looking for jobs he likes, and right now washing dishes doesn't sound very fun to him. Help wanted. Here is a job, walking dogs after school. Dog walker on the weekdays for 1 hour, $15 an hour. Can Jordan take this job? He likes it. He thinks that's a good skill. He's really good at walking dogs. So he decides, yes, he can. Jordan gets the job. He works as much as he can. Jordan earns money. Jordan uses his money for gas. He can drive his car. Jordan reaches his goal. So now that Jordan has a job and is able to make money, he's able to pay for his gas and he's able to pay for his car insurance because car insurance costs money. He reaches his goal. His goal was to find a job and make money. So at the end of the story, he reaches his goal. That's great that Jordan found a job that he likes and that he's good at. Now he's making money to drive his car. So first, his parents gave him a car. Then he realized, hey, I don't have money to pay for my car insurance or gas. So I need to go find a job. He looks up a bunch of help wanted ads to see what he was good at and what skills he had and his skill and what he was interested in. And then he found a job that he was really good at. He thought he'd be a great worker when it comes to walking dogs. He applied for the job and he ended up getting it. He started working, and after he worked, he began earning money. And at the end, he reached his goal. So on these next slides, you're going to answer some of the questions involving vocabulary words, main idea and supporting details, and sequencing events. We will continue reading this story and many other stories that are similar to this throughout the week. See you later, guys.